This video explains how to operate transition of the HVS-490. First, we will explain transition block. This is a fader. It is used to manually switch between videos. These are cut and auto buttons. The cut button switches the video with a cut. The auto button switches the video at the set transition rate. In the next transition section, you can select whether to switch the background or the keyer. The LCD here shows the transition rate and wipe pattern for each background and key. The two direction buttons are used to switch the transition direction. Trans rate is a shortcut button to the transition rate menu. Pattern is a shortcut button to the wipe pattern selection menu. Next, we will show how to cut and mix transition. Press background in the next transition section to switch the background. Pressing the cut button switches the video using cut. Pressing key 1 in the next transition section enables switching of keyer 1. Select Mix in the Transition Type section and press Auto to switch to the video in the mix. Finally, we will show how to make wipe transition. Set Next Transition to Background. Double tap Wipe under Trans Type to open the wipe transition settings. Tap Transition Number and select the desired wipe pattern. In this case, 000 will be used. Press the Auto button to execute the wipe you have just set. Keyers can be displayed in the same way with a wipe by setting Trans Type to Wipe. Operation with faders is also possible.